Hi everybody, Frank from Classic Harley-Davidson back with another featured bike of the week. This week we're doing something just a little bit different than normal. My featured bike this week is a 2005 Softail Standard that's fuel injected. In 2005 you can get this bike either carbureted or fuel injected, and this one does have the fuel injection, which is a really nice upgrade. The reason that I'm featuring this bike this week is that my first Harley-Davidson ever was a 2006 Softail Standard, and I absolutely love that motorcycle. When I think Harley-Davidson, this is what I think. It's got the chopper look, the chopper feel, the forward controls, so you have your fists in the wind and your feet in the wind. It feels amazing. Now this particular motorcycle, I said we're doing something that we don't normally do. There are two items on this motorcycle that are slightly damaged, and normally we would replace those items, but in this particular case we can't get them. And in the past, a lot of times we would have sent that motorcycle out to the auction and not sold it here in the dealership. But I really think when you see what's going on with this motorcycle and the price point that we put this motorcycle at, you're going to want it. So you can see that we have a really tiny tear in the seat here, but here's the thing, this is the stock seat that came on this motorcycle, and it really looks good. What I would do if I was going to buy this motorcycle, put a little bit of black Sharpie in there, do a little bit of clear nail polish to hold it down, and forget that it's even a problem. All right, so let's talk about this front fender. Obviously, the former owner damaged the front fender, did some repair work on it. We cannot purchase this front fender from Harley-Davidson. If you look in here, the former owner sprayed it black so that it wouldn't rust, and you have a different color at the front than the back. Now, this motorcycle is already prime for customization. If you get this motorcycle, you're gonna wanna make it your own, and a paint job could easily be part of that. Maybe you've got a buddy that can put that back to the original blue for you, or maybe you want to go with some other radical paint job for the entire thing. So I mentioned that this is your quintessential chopper feel. If you look down here, we have further forward control mounts, which actually move the already forward controls forward another 2 inches. So this thing really feels like your legs are forward and you got that chopper stance. Also, we have a set of Python full exhaust. These things are incredibly loud, and we'll fire it up here in just a minute. I hope you all enjoyed Classic Harley-Davidson's featured bike this week, this 2005 Softail Standard with fuel injection. This has every ounce of hardcore awesomeness that you would expect when you're going for that Harley-Davidson chopper feel, and it is absolutely ripe for you to customize it, make it your own, and have it set up exactly the way you always wanted it to be. Get a listen to this motor.